Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your BlackView Airbuds 1. So to do this, you have to first of all, let me show you that I try to connect them, but they disappear each time I try to get them. So first of all, I will recommend you to go back from this Bluetooth settings on your phone, then simply restart your Bluetooth. First, turn it off. Next, open this charging case, remove both earbuds from the case, and right now click 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, quickly, until one of the indicator turns to the red. If it is not working, we are gonna repeat, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as you can see right now it's working. So we have to click to pair new device and select Airbuds 1 from the list. Let's take a look if it works right now. Accept the pairing request, and yeah, looks like we are connected right now. So as you can see, that's how we can fix the connection problem. Basically activate the pairing mode manually on your BlackView Airbuds 1. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.